bird.
People, have you heard the word? Falcons do the dirty bird. They don't crawl and they don't swim, but when they fly, they really win. Sound off, falcons, sound off, falcons, sound off. 1, 2, 3, 4, go birds.
Do the dirty bird. Do the dirty bird. Do the dirty bird.
Just watch out and you will see a brand new team for you and me. They're a team with unity, 'cause Amen is Coach Dan Reeves. Sound off, Falcons, sound